Artificial anterior chamber is used for lamellar dissection of the donor cornea to prepare a lamellar graft that is used for decimate stripping endothelial keratoplasty or anterior lamellar keratoplasty. The assembly includes a tissue pedestal, tissue retainer, and a locking ring made of metal. The tissue pedestal has a silicone tube with a pinch lock which is connected to a syringe containing fluid such as balanced salt solution or corneal preservation medium. How to use an artificial anterior chamber. The parts of the assembly are first separated. The tissue pedestal is connected to the fluid-filled syringe. The donor cornea is mounted on the tissue pedestal. Care is taken for proper centration of the donor cornea and maintaining adequate fluid to protect the corneal endothelium. The tissue retainer is then carefully fixed onto the pedestal, onto the slot, and locked by rotating the locking ring clockwise. After confirming the pressure inside the chamber to the desired level, the pinch is closed. The mounted cornea is now ready for lamellar dissection.